Welcome to another video, and this video, guys, I'm in Clone Engine. Yes, sir. I don't know how this game works. I think it's just clone and clone and clone. I think, dude, this is crazy. This is always crazy. Rainful. Okay, let's try this. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I think I'm max out. I'm max out. Where is she? What are you doing there? She's lagging, dude. I'm lagging and my clone is lagging too. What? That's, oh my god, what the hell is that? That's not satisfying, dude. What? Look over there. My clone is lagging over here, bro. What the heck? It's so confusing, dude. Eh, see. Dude, what the heck is that? It's not satisfying, dude. This. Let's try this. God. Let's keep going, God. What? Okay, I think it's. Oh yeah, dude. Wait. Why? Why? Oh, yeah. What? Oh my God, dude. Right here. Oh my God. Where's my clown? Where's my clown at? There you are. Come here. Dude, are you kidding me, dude? Oh, okay. What? Dang it. Oh, she gone. Is that all? Okay. Bro, this is so boring. What the heck is this? Oh, let me try this. Let me try this one with jumping. It's not satisfying. Let me try this one. What's this? What? This. Oh, what? This is my friend. Oh guys, bye bye. It's so boring, dude.